In this video, I'm going to show you a super simple yet powerful strategy using Supertrend and RSI. If you are a new trader and want a tool that clearly shows the trend, provides easy to read buy and sell signals, and helps you avoid false trades, then this strategy is absolutely perfect for you. Stay with me until the end because I'll take you through a real chart example step by step and even give you a quick quiz to check your understanding. But before we dive in, if you enjoy my content, please support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing if you haven't done it yet. Let's get started. What you need. First, let's see what you need to trade this strategy effectively. You will need the Supertrend indicator, which is usually based on ATR. This tool shows the trend direction clearly and gives straightforward buy or sell signals. It's the main tool for this strategy, helping you identify the main market movement. Next, you need the RSI or Relative Strength Index with the default setting of 14. RSI helps us measure the momentum of the market and acts as a filter to confirm the Supertrend signals, which helps us avoid entering false trades. Combining Supertrend and RSI makes the signals much more reliable. Finally, choose a time frame that you understand and feel comfortable trading. For beginners, 1 hour or 4 hour charts are ideal because they give clear signals without too much noise. If you prefer fewer trades, you can also use a daily chart, but keep in mind that signals will appear less often. Avoid very short time frames like 5-minute or 15-minute charts, as they can be noisy and tricky for beginners. How to use Supertrend and RSI together. The Supertrend indicator is very easy to read. It shows the trend direction and gives clear buy or sell signals. When the line turns green, it means a buy signal. When it turns red, it means a sell signal. This makes it simple for beginners to follow the trend. However, there is a problem. The indicator constantly gives signals, even when the market is moving sideways or in a range. This can lead to false trades because Supertrend may flip to red or green even when there is no real trend. This is where RSI comes in. RSI measures the momentum of the market. By using RSI as a filter, we can avoid most of these false signals. The simple rule is only take a Supertrend signal if RSI supports the direction. For a buy trade, Supertrend must be green and RSI must be rising above 50. For a sell trade, Supertrend must be red and RSI must be falling below 50. This simple filter helps you focus only on trades where the market has both trend and momentum, reducing mistakes and improving results. Remember, only take trades where both indicators agree. Indicator settings. First, open the indicator section of your trading platform and type Supertrend and then click on it to add to your chart. Go to the indicator settings, set the ATR length to 10 and the factor to 3. To make the Supertrend easier to read visually, adjust the line color and thickness. For example, set the uptrend line buy signal to green and the downtrend line sell signal to red. Increase the line thickness slightly so that the trend is clearly visible even on smaller screens. Then click OK to apply. Next, add RSI to your chart. Go to its settings, set the RSI length to 14, and in the style section, customize the line color to bright yellow so it stands out. Make the line thicker for better visibility. Click on the RSI middle band to enable it and turn off all other unnecessary options to keep the chart clean. Then click OK to apply. Now your chart is perfectly set up and ready for this strategy. Basic strategy rules, step by step. For a long entry, buy. Wait for Supertrend to flip green. Then check RSI, it should be above 50 and preferably rising. Once both conditions are met, enter at the close of the confirming candle. For a short entry, sell, wait for Supertrend to flip red. And then make sure RSI is below 50 and preferably falling. Then enter at the close of the confirming candle. Quick reminders. RSI above 50 shows buying momentum and below 50 shows selling momentum. This helps you avoid taking trades inside sideways or range markets. Watch the RSI slope, not just the value. If RSI is above 50 but moving flat, the signal is weaker. If it's above 50 and clearly rising, the momentum is strong, confirming the trade. For more details on how the RSI 50 level works, check out our separate video. The link is in the description. Real market examples. Line trade, buy setup. Let's look at a buy setup. Here, Supertrend turns green, giving the first sign that the market may be shifting bullish. At the same time, RSI is above 50 and rising, confirming increasing buying momentum. Enter the trade at the close of the candle where both signals align. Place your stop loss below the most recent swing low. This gives your trade enough room to handle normal price fluctuations without getting stopped out too early. And for take profit, aim for a risk to reward ratio of at least 1 to 2. For example, if your stop loss is $50 away, set your target at $100. This way, one winning trade can cover two losing ones. This is how profitable traders manage risk over time. Many beginners skip this step and rely only on signals, but managing risk is what really grows your account. Short trade, sell setup. Now let's look at a sell setup. Supertrend flips to red, suggesting a bearish shift, while RSI is below 50 and sloping downward, confirming selling pressure. Enter at the close of the signal candle and set your stop loss above the recent swing high. For take profit, again, maintain at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Many beginners make a few key mistakes when using this strategy. The first is taking every Supertrend flip without any confirmation. This often leads to many false signals, especially when the market is ranging. The solution is simple. Always require RSI confirmation, above 50 for buys and below 50 for sales, before entering a trade. Another common mistake is poor risk management. Using a wide stop loss combined with a large position size can quickly destroy your account. A smart rule is to risk no more than 1% of your account on each trade until you become constantly profitable. Finally, many traders enter positions right before or during major news events. These events can cause sudden spikes that hit your stop loss and then reverse direction. To avoid this, stay out of the market at least 10 to 15 minutes before and after important news releases. Quiz. We have reached the end of the lesson. Now it's time for a quick quiz to see if you have learned the strategy. Imagine this. The Supertrend just turned green, but the RSI is below 50 and flat. What should you do? A. Enter a long trade immediately. B. Wait until RSI confirms above 50 and rising. C. Enter a short trade. Drop your answer in the comments below. Okay, that's it for today's lesson, the Supertrend and RSI strategy. I hope you found it useful and now feel confident spotting high probability trades with trend and momentum. If you want to take your trading skills even further, check out our next video on divergences. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy this video, subscribe to the channel for more strategies and trading tips, turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next video and happy trading!